Goldilocks and the Three Chairs. Today I'm kicking off a brand new series, 100 cello hacks. And these are things I wish someone had told me when I was first starting to play. Let's get to the chairs. Chair number 1, a piano stool. Oh, but when I sit, my knees are way lower than my hips. I feel like I'm really standing up. I'd have to put up my spike really high, and I just think my center of gravity is too far off the ground. So I'm going to say, too high. Chair number 2. This is an adjustable stool. Let's see. It's really low. This is Baby Bear's stool. I think, oh my goodness, it's way too low down. My knees are higher than my hips. So I'm going to say, too low. Now this chair looks like it might be just right. This is Mama Bear's chair. If I sit on it, my knees are just very slightly lower than my hips, and it feels like it could be the perfect fit. And if I stand to measure it against my leg, the back of my knee is just hitting the top of the chair. So whatever leg length you have, this is a really good guide for getting the right height for sitting down. Yeah, feels good. Thanks, Mama Bear. I'm really excited to share what I've learned over the years, so make sure to follow me here for some exclusive insider tips.